My name is Joey Gossett, and I am here to tell you a little bit about the school district whose technology policy I will be reviewing. The demographics, these demographics are actually for the school corporation in which I work. We are a rural school. We pull from Muncie, Indiana, as well as the towns of Eaton and Albany. We have roughly 2,500 students in our K through 12 school corporation. The corporation is made up of 5 schools, 1 high school, 1 middle school, and 3 elementary schools. We are 94% white. We have 40% free or reduced lunch. 64% of our students in grades 3 through 8 pass the iStep Plus. 83% in the high school pass the ECA. The graduation rate is 97%, and our attendance rate is 96%. The teachers on staff are about 99% white. There are 181 teachers. 35% of those have 20 years experience or more. The remaining 65% can be broken down into those like 0 through 5 years, 6 through 10 years, 11 through 15 years, so on. Those different categories. Those are basically divided evenly among those. Of the teachers, 56% were rated highly effective, 43% were effective, and only 1 teacher in the corporation was rated improvement necessary. As far as current technology in the classrooms, part of the school's PL 221 plan requests that we complete a 3-year technology plan. So that's what we have done. Right now, we are not one-to-one. That is hopefully the direction we are headed in the next few years. Goals, metrics, progress per school are also listed in that PL 221 plan. We have an acceptable use policy. It has been titled the Internet Responsible Use Policy, and it is found in the student handbooks. That most recent policy was adopted in 2012. I also took this chart to mark off what we have in the classrooms. Every classroom still has a telephone. There is a computer for each teacher. Basically, each teacher has a Dell desktop, and each teacher has an iPad, and that is K through 12. Basically, the desktops were replaced about 4 years ago and are replaced on an as-needed basis at this point. 2 years ago, everyone received an iPad. It asks if there's a CD, regular burner, or DVD. Basically, this is just what's on the desktop. Computers for students, a little different here. We are not one-to-one, like I mentioned earlier, so basically we have both Mac and PCs out there. As far as how many, I'll get to that in just a minute. Internet access, yes. Printer, yes. It is a basic printer that is networked, and it is part of the copy machine. We do not have printers in each individual classroom except for classrooms like Project Lead the Way, and our Ball State University dual credit English class has a printer. Each teacher has a scanner, and then each teacher has a projection system, and digital cameras are in the elementaries. Our teachers also have document cameras and large screens in their rooms. Technology in the classroom, we have 5 classrooms, 3 in the middle school, 2 in the high school, that are piloting one-to-one. We have iPad carts in the elementary schools, about 3 iPad carts in each elementary school. We have Chromebook carts in the middle school and Chromebook carts in the high school. As far as thoughts and reflections on this, I am part of the Innovative Learning Committee, and we are trying to move to the one-to-one realm. Right now, what we are finding is that we are designing our timeline, and we would like for our middle schools, this is as of yesterday, our middle schools would begin along with grade 5, so grades 5 through 8, and we start with them because they find it necessary for them to have those skills. Some people on the committee would like to start at the high school simply because we want them to be college and career ready when they graduate. We feel like we're a little behind, but we'll get there. We know professional development is necessary to design a shift in pedagogy, and our policy language needs to protect all stakeholders.